We joke that you've seen robots in our facilities for many years, but you haven't seen robots on wheels. Guardian is an automotive supplier. We supply to all the major automotive OEMs, and we specialize in automotive trim components, specifically large grills. Our AMR fleet currently is across 3 plants where we have 7 vehicles running 24 hours a day, 5 days a week.
They're more efficient, they're faster on the floor, they take the strain off of what I'm having to do on a daily basis.
The Seegrid AMR vision-based system enables us to implement these route changes with little to no changes to our production infrastructure and in the least amount of time possible.
The Seegrid AMRs have provided a very consistent, repeatable technology. We have seen a lot of good improvements in several key areas. One of them in particular is the improvement in safety. To Guardian, safety is absolutely first and foremost. And the second is improvements and significant improvements in our operational 5S and overall cleanliness.
AMRs are safer due to the motion sensors and cameras all around the vehicle. They provide safety for anybody that us as drivers might not see when we're backing up or going forward. There's no chance of it running into anything or causing any accidents.
For our facilities, the Seegrid AMRs replaced 2 different types of manual material movement. The first is manual tuggers, and the second is forklift drivers. Operators driving those manual material movement methods have improved their skill level to be able to operate with an automated robot.
In addition to the on-site support that we got, we were provided a very comprehensive overview of the training process when it comes to designing the routes and also physically training the unit on the floor. We had team members from Seegrid train us in training the Seegrid AMR routes on the floor. That put us in a position where we were comfortable with making any changes to existing route or implementation of new routes going forward.
In terms of return on investment, the AMRs have provided us benefit in 3 different areas. The first is safety. The second is material delivery to our operational cells. And the third is a benefit in reallocation of non-value add activity that our team members were doing previously. We're seeing return on investment within a couple of years. And when looking at scalability for these AMRs, we currently have 3 production facilities with Seegrid vehicles operational. When we look at how we can expand on this further, we're both seeing opportunities within each of those facilities to grow, but also being able to reach out beyond those 3.
It's more efficient because I don't have to physically travel to each cell. All the operators around the building can click on whatever they need. I can look right on my tablet and it automatically tells me what they need, how long it's been ordered, what the next thing I need to send up is.
The relationship between Guardian and Seegrid has been a positive one. We've seen a lot of benefit in the Seegrid team helping design our route and helping calculate what exactly we need in order to be effective. In the end, our goal is to improve on safety, delivery, and reallocation of headcount. And Seegrid has partnered with us to realize those goals across all of our projects. Looking at your facility as it is today, and what are the best ways to make change? AMRs can help that change. It can help accelerate safety initiatives. It can help accelerate 5S initiatives. In order to change from forklifts or manual tuggers to an automated AMR, there can be a lot of fear associated with that. Focusing on the benefits can really help overcome that fear, knowing that this automated solution is going to help accelerate some of your initiatives that you're working on already today.